A warm welcome and a big thanks for joining today's webinar, Sunday morning, 11:35 almost. Lots of household pending works. IPL is knocking the door and you people are here. Awesome energy. I love this energy. Thank you so much for joining this webinar.
As you know that today we are going to discuss about 360 virtual reality. Let us start the presentation with technological waves. Yes, this is really very important to understand the technological waves before going to the main section of today's presentation.
As we are discussing about videos, I would like to concentrate only the video technological waves. In the wave 1, we can see there is 2D videos, sometimes colorful, sometimes colorless, black and white 2D videos. What are 2D videos? There are flat screens where we can see that particular video, a movie, means there will be action from a distance. There will be difference between the viewer and the screen. Then the wave 2, we have seen the 3D videos. What is the difference between a 2D and a 3D video? There in 2D video, there is only height and breadth. And in 3D video, there is a third dimension, that is the depth of it. So it is slightly elevated so that the viewers can feel more engaged in that particular video that is going on, and they can feel that they are feeling the essence of that particular movie or video. In the third wave of technology, we have seen that 360 immersive videos has come. So I will talk about this 360 immersive video later. Let me explain the fourth one. We are into the fourth wave right now, that is 360 VR videos. Now let me explain that what is the difference between 360 immersive video and 360 VR video. 360 immersive videos are of spherical views, like wherever you can see me sitting right here, right? I am sitting here, I can see my front, back, right, left, up, top and bottom, everything. That means I can feel my presence here. I can see the entire environment, but I cannot interact with anything. Why it's called immersive? Because I can feel the presence of me in this particular, if it is a movie, if it is a video, I can feel the presence of my character inside this video. That is why it's called immersive. And what is immersive 360 VR video? Basic difference is interactivity. Yes, interactivity means you can feel your presence inside the video. Not only that, you can interact with the characters of the movie. Yes, it is possible. Just imagine everyone, all of us have seen Sholay movie once in a life, right? Just imagine that I have a cup of coffee in my hand. Let me go inside the scene where Basanti is dancing and all the dacoits are sitting surrounds her. So let me take a cup of coffee. I will go next to the dacoits. I sit here and I will ask Gabbar, Gabbar, please ask Basanti to dance. And Gabbar will say, Khamosh. Yes, that is possible. That is the flavor of 360 VR video. It's completely immersive, it's completely interactive. So you can get into the environment, you can interact with the environment, you can do what not. So this is the main flavor of virtual reality video, 360 virtual reality video. Let me move ahead. So what is virtual reality? I have explained you in a very layman language. Let me now introduce the formal definition of virtual reality. It's basically a computer generated 3D image or environment, or you can say simulation, where you can feel your presence, you can interact with the ingredients of the video. That is called virtual reality. Richa, now we can run our first poll. Let us understand that how much our attendees have understood What is virtual reality? Guys, the simple question you have to answer. Let us enjoy the flow of the webinar. We are here to learn something. And if we are here to learn something, I'm not taking your exam or something. But yes, I want to review that whatever I'm delivering, you are understanding or not. So let us have our poll. Is a simple question. Whatever I have just taught you, that what is the main keyword or virtual reality? Immersive, feel the presence, interactive, or all that above?